Good afternoon, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota Pre-Owned Super Center. Today I would like to present you a 2014 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road Package, blue in color. This is the unit. This unit also comes with two sets of keys for the keyless entry as well. Let's have a look. This unit do have sensors on both corners, fog light, block heater, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with tire pressure sensors, manufacturer antenna, heated side mirrors, back windows is already been tinted by manufacturer, box liner is already been done. At the back they also do have 180-degree sensors. They also do come with a backup camera on the tailgate. Hydraulic tailgates as well, which means they won't be dropped all at once. For safety features as well. And no visible damage or rust on the truck so far. For the interior, they come with black cloth seats. They also do come with the power seats and power lower back support. They also do come with the power windows, power door lock, power side mirrors, and power sliding windows at the back. This unit only have 21,146 kilometers on it. Extremely low kilometers. On the steering wheel, you can connect it with your Bluetooth device, such as your cellular phone. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you can select the songs from your MP3 device or the radio station. You also could adjust the volume control up and down over there. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you can use it to answer the phone call or disconnect it. And also they do come with the voice command button over there as well. For the display button, it's right over there. You can adjust any information for you to driving in without any interruption. At the back over there is your cruise control. You also do have an option to turn on and off for the parking sensor for the front and the back as well. They also do come with the traction control. The audio system, they also do come with the AM, FM radio, and they also do come with the satellite radio, MP3 CD player, and they also upgraded by Bon Jovi DPS acoustic stand system as well. Automatic transmission, two 12-volt power outlets, and one USB and auxiliary input as well. Automatic transmission and two cup holders. They also do come with 3M protection on the fenders, hood, and the bumpers over there as well. It's a very beautiful unit. Once again, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota Pre-Owned Super Center. I'm looking forward to meet you in person. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.